Let's play. Okay. Let's go.
Namatay.
You go again. Nobody touch you.
Hindi ko alam, bibidyo pala ako. La 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 daddy da. Papa
Bau.
Bat nga.
Bau.
Iya, bau. Bat nga. Eh, sabi mo tutulog ka. Sabi mo tutulog ka. Cappuccino assassino, lili lalila, bubagino gogodito, lili lalila, bubagino gogodito, bibibi lalala. Okay. Bubaba patapim para pim papupu bububi bubigini kuzini bibini bububu babalino.
Ikaw ba yan? Hindi naman ikaw yan eh.
Hindi ako yun, money, green,
Ikaw ba yan?
oh,
Ikaw ba yan? Hindi naman ikaw yan eh. Kay ba yan? Kay ba yan?
Apa! Many green trees. I have one. Money, green, money's all I need. Stood. I'm gonna poop. Oo nga, bibidyo nga ako. No! Hindi! Yung ito!
Today, before I'm going to bring the heat, the cold, and hopefully get some springtime. But first, I've got to get this jawline
So let's play. I have a new outfit because I have joined
The cooking
joined
update
the
is officially
clan.
out in World Garden,
I don't
and
know
with
what
this
is
update
the
comes a
clan.
page. This page can give you varying rewards from common all the way to prismatic. And today, I'm going to show you guys the
Oh my god!
What if I I told you, that woman's mouth is actually an armadillo's shell. Will that be any not settled? Cleverness is the strongest demon king feared by all humans, and his only goal is to wipe out humanity. But everything changes the day he finds a human baby and makes a choice that shocks you. I'm gonna hand you over. In this video, I managed to tame a polar bear and ride it to the mouse. He's now guarding my base from the deer. But before I could make that happen, I spent hundreds of in-game days building my camp, died over 10 times trying to tame other animals, and burned through more than 5,000 Robux in the process.
Oh my god.
I already chopped down all the trees, just gotta stack them up by the campfire. Nice, I've got all the logs. Now I can light up the campfire. Campfires at level 2 now. I've got enough logs to upgrade it to level 3 too. Sweet, I still got some logs.
Ako ng victim.
Nabukan ko eh.
Masaya mo.
Look! Look! Oh my god, I'm gonna reset.
This guy's pretending to be one of the owners of
Oh my god. Guys, hi guys, I'm gonna have if I die one more time, I'm gonna end this video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I die, I'm gonna end this video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry guys, I'm gonna end this video. So bye.